4-70 says area of algebra tiles. Your teacher will provide your team with a set of algebra tiles. So if I click on this blue hyperlink right here, instead of it being it shouldn't be a definition. It's actually going to take me to the tool itself. So it's going to open up a new window. And in here, it's going to have all of my algebra tiles. So that's what we have right here. Some of these, about half of these we're not using this year. Okay. So I can always use that. And I can always find those up in, where is it? Right here, eTools. So I can find my tiles right here, my algebra tiles. Okay. So let me go back to where we were, get those guys to go away. So it says remove each shape from the bag and put it on your desk. It tells you to trace around the shape on your paper. I've already done that for you in the notebook, but it says to look at the different sides of the shape. So we need to figure out which shapes have the same side lengths and which ones have different side lengths. So then we're going to color code the lengths that are the same. And so on your notebook right here, we have those shapes. So we have these 3 shapes right here, and in real life, they look like this. And this is what they're talking about, is to be looking at these, which ones, looking at the sides, looking at the shapes. So if I'm going to pick a color here. I'm supposed to figure out what is the same on these guys, okay? So just looking at this, so this right here, not only is it the same color, but I notice that the same length right there. If I go right here, it's still the same length. This side obviously is different, but I'm going to color code, and I just grabbed one that was kind of sharp here and that I have right handy. I'm going to color code personally the long pieces right here with the color brown. Doesn't matter what color I pick. If you're at home and you don't have colored pencils, you can use maybe crayons or a highlighter, and then a pen on the other ones that don't match. So again, this length right here matches this length right there. Those are the same. Okay. But as I keep looking at these, I obviously have already done all the sides for this guy, so I'm going to go ahead and put him back. I've already done these 2 sides. But as I look at this, that's the same length. Same length. Okay, so that means I need to color code these other ones. So I have this guy, and this guy right here is the same. This one, and this one is the same. All the way around. Okay. So make sure we have what we need for A. So it says color code them. So we did. So we're going to go ahead and stop right here and move on to B in a different video.